Hello friends, you're welcome to the Yain STEM Virtual Hub, your channel for amazing science experiments, epic engineering inventions, spectacular arts and craft activities that you can do by yourself at home.
In today's STEAM activity, we shall be making a hovercraft that works by using air from a balloon or balloon. Hovercraft are really interesting, yes, as they move on top of a layer of air. The layer of air reduces friction, and this allows the hovercraft to move quickly over the floor or smooth surface. Can you see this? Wow!
So join us as we make a simple hovercraft using air from a blown-up balloon. Alright friends, we're set to make a hovercraft from an air-blown balloon. And first of all, we'll list our materials. We need your old cedar plates. Yeah, you need your uhu gum, a super glue gum, or if you have a glue gun in the house, wow, that's perfect for you. You need a pop-up lid from the drink bottle. We can use a dishwash container, okay, it's actually better with a dishwash container. And then you need your balloon, okay, yeah, your balloon. And we're gonna go ahead and make this now. But first of all, I want to take off my hand gloves so I can work better and faster, alright? Now, how to go about this? First of all, okay, my first step, I'm gonna use my old cedar plates, okay? And then, like I said, you get your pop-up cover. Like we said earlier on, use a cover from a dishwash bottle. It's gonna be easier to work with that, okay? A cover of a dishwash soap is better. Okay, and then you put your gum around the corners of the cover, like this. Yeah, just do that carefully, okay? And now you pick up your cedar plates and you cover it up like that on top of the cedar plate at the center. Yeah, and you hold, and then using the glue again, just take it round carefully and carefully to ensure it sticks properly. Yeah, like that. Okay, haven't done that, and then we're almost good to go. You're gonna leave it for some time, let's say some 20 to 30 minutes. Since you're using the uhu gum, if you have a glue gun in the house, well, it's perfect. You're gonna just do it on the spot. It just gets dried. For the uhu gum, you have to wait for a while, say 30 minutes first before it gets dried. And now let's just wait for it to get dried now, okay? All right, right now, guys, we've already taken it out right now, and then we're ready to leave it to dry. Stop, Alright guys, I have actually waited for about 30 minutes, and let's see if it's solid enough now. Oh yeah, it's strong enough right now. Woo! So right now, I'm gonna pull my balloon carefully from the tip around the bottle pop cover. Carefully do that. Okay, that's been done right now, as you can see. So I'm just been able to put my balloon on the bottle cover right now. And next, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna try to blow up the balloon from the bottom of the cedar plate. But first of all, ensure you open up the pop-up cover so the air is able to go in and out into the balloon. Let's go now. Let's try and inflate it now. Okay, I'm gonna blow it up now. Whoa! It's almost ready. Yeah. So we're almost good to go, And right now, I think we're set now. Okay, let's try right now. Now, you're gonna close it up right now. Okay, we've done that. As you can see, I've closed up the cover, okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so right now, I've already blown my balloon. And first of all, note that we have a place to close and open up the air. You just raise it up like this, and then the air comes out. Now you can close it back again, okay? And then the air is stuck inside. Now, for it to work, you place it on the floor first, and then you open up the part the air has to go out through. Now, let's see that. Wow, let's see it. Can you see that? Yeah, that's a popping. That's. All right, that's it. That's it. You can see. I'll stop working right now. Can you see that? Okay. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. And so we have our hovercraft right now on a smooth surface. Now ensure that you have a very smooth surface to work, okay? Ensure you have a smooth surface for it to work, and then make sure that your gum is very solid. And that's all about our hovercraft for today. Thank you so much for being part of this, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of such videos. Be good and stay safe.